Hi everyone, our topic is tangent plane. Equation for tangent plane. We have two definitions for equation of tangent plane. The first one is for implicit function and the second one is for explicit function. The first definition is an equation for the tangent plane to the graph of f of x, y, z is equal to 0 at a point p x naught, y naught, z naught is fx at p into x minus x naught plus fy at p into y minus y naught plus fz at p into z minus z naught is equal to 0. And the second definition is an equation for the tangent plane to the graph of z is equal to f of xy at a point p x naught, y naught, z naught is z minus z naught is equal to fx at p x minus x naught plus fy at p into y minus y naught. Now the first question is find equation for the tangent plane to the graph of equation 4x squared minus y squared plus 3z squared is equal to 10 at a point p 2 minus 3 and 1. Now we see that the given function is implicit, so we use the first definition. We start the solution by saying that f of xyz is equal to 4x squared minus y squared plus 3z squared minus 10. We name it as equation 1. Now we need fx at p, fy at p and fz at p. For finding fx at p, we regard y and z as constant and differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So fx is equal to 8x. Now fx at p is equal to 8 times 2, which is equal to 16. Again, we regard x and z as constant and differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. So we have fy is equal to minus 2 times y. Now fy at p is equal to minus 2 times minus 3, which is equal to 6. The next step, we regard x and y as constant and differentiate equation 1 with respect to z. So we have fz is equal to 6z. Now fz at p is equal to 6 times 1, which is equal to 6. Now equation for tangent plane is fx at p times x minus x naught plus fy at p into y minus y naught plus fz at p into z minus z naught equal to 0. Now we have the values of fx at p, x naught, fy at p, y naught, fz at p and z naught. So by substituting these values, we have 16 times x minus 2 plus 6 times y minus negative 3 plus 6 times z minus 1 is equal to 0. So by solving, we have 8x plus 3y plus 3z minus 10 is equal to 0, which is the equation for the tangent plane. Our next question is question number 3. Find equation for the tangent plane to the graph of equation z is equal to 4x squared plus 9y squared at a point p minus 2 minus 1 25. Now we see that we have an explicit function in terms of x and y for z. So we start the solution by saying that z is equal to 4x squared plus 9y squared as equation 1. Now we need fx at p, fy at p, that is zx at p and zy at p. So we regard y as constant and differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So we have zx is equal to 8x. Now zx at p is equal to 8 times minus 2, which is equal to minus 16. The next step, we regard x as constant and differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. So we have zy is equal to 18y. Now zy at p is equal to 18 times minus 1, which is equal to minus 18. Now we name zx at p as f x at p and zy at p as fy at p. So now the equation of tangent plane is z minus z naught is equal to fx at p into x minus x naught plus fy at p into y minus y naught. Now we have the value of z naught, fx at p, x naught, fy at p and y naught. So by substituting that values in this equation, we have z minus 25 is equal to minus 16 times x minus negative 2 plus minus 18 times y minus negative 1. By solving this, we have 16x plus 18y plus z plus 25 is equal to 0. Thank you for watching our video.